Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll show you the features of our admission website. First, to access our admissions website, type sunykorea.ac.kr/adm/ in the address bar. Here, you can find more about SUNY Korea and the history behind the school. If you click Apply Info, you can get all information regarding eligibility, required documents, application process, and more. You can also see our brochures. Next, navigate through the bars to find the information you need. Under the application documents, you can find acceptable English test scores such as TOEFL, IELTS, and Duolingo. FIT also has the same navigation bars where you can find all the information you need. If you click on Application Timeline on the left bar, you'll be navigated to the site where you can see application deadlines. Make a note in your calendar and don't forget, since we don't extend deadlines. One of the most common questions students ask is the tuition and the cost. Here, you can find the breakdown of the cost so you can see all the cost details. If you're interested in applying for scholarship and financial aids, you can find a list of scholarships we offer to newly admitted students. If you're an international student, you must apply for a D2 student visa. On our website, you can find all the documents you need to apply for the visa. If you have other questions, check out FAQ page, since most answers to your questions can be found here. If you're now ready to apply, click Apply Now and select the term you wish to apply to. Also, don't miss out SUNY Korea events listed on the event page, where you can directly ask questions and get answers. If you need additional help, don't hesitate to contact us. We're always here at our office. Thank you, and see you soon.